guys, welcome back to my channel. I am PJ and this is Peace.
I know you so well, so well.
Today I'm gonna buy my new MacBook Pro, and in fact this video is edited on the MacBook Pro. As you know, I am from the Faroe Islands. Yeah, I'm going to Town. Let's go.
No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. So I'll go. I will go. So I'll go. I will go. Lately, I've been thinking I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, 'cause with all that has happened I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking I want you to be happier. I want you to